Hello friends, welcome to Yosun Mix YouTube channel. Today's topic is Samsung Galaxy A 2020 smartphone expected price and specifications. So today we'll discuss about Samsung Galaxy A 2020 smartphone which it launch soon. And before start, I want to say if you are new in our channel, then subscribe our channel. Science and technology related topics mainly discussed in this channel. If you like our video and like our channel, then don't forget to like, share, subscribe and make comments. And also click on the bell button on the right side. If you click on the bell button on the right side, you will get notification for the next videos, and to get full information, please watch the video from the beginning to the end. Otherwise, you do not get the full information and miss many useful information on this topic. Okay friends, let's start. Go to the full report. Samsung Galaxy A 2020 smartphone expected price and specification. USN Mix report. Galaxy A10 series 2020 will be launched on this day, and you can get strong battery for backup, more backup. And smartphone manufacturer Samsung has released a teaser regarding latest A series 2020, in which the launch date has been revealed. According to the teaser, the company is about to launch the upcoming Galaxy A series 2020 in Vietnam on December 12 December 2019. Earlier, it is reported from the report that Samsung will present this series at the beginning of the new year, but the company has not yet clarified which smartphone can be offered under this series. On the other hand, it sourced to be believed that Galaxy A51 will be launched in this market. So this is the expected picture of this Galaxy A 2020 smartphone. So official teaser of A series 2020. Samsung Vietnam has posted the teaser of this Galaxy A series on its official YouTube channel. It can be seen in the teaser that A series devices has got a stronger camera and a punch hole display. At that same time, the look of this smartphone closely resembles of Galaxy Note 10 series. How many phones of A series 2020 will be launched? For this long time, many reports revealed related to this A series 2020 have been leaked, but which have been said that the launch year next year. But now the company teaser has confirmed that the Galaxy A series 2020 will knock on the 12 December 2019. According to the media report, the company will offer around 8 smartphones in this series. So we are waiting for 8 Samsung Galaxy A series smartphone in the coming year, in this December 2019, and it is January 2020. So upcoming smartphones are that of 2020 A series 2020 smartphone. Samsung can introduce the Galaxy A21, Galaxy A31, Galaxy A41, Galaxy A51, Galaxy A61 and Galaxy A71. So 21, 31, 41, 51, 61 and 71 under this upcoming Galaxy A series. It is a great news for Samsung users who are like to use the Samsung smartphones. A series 2020 smartphone information. According to the leaked report, the company will offer 6.5 Super AMOLED display with 4000 MHz battery, triple rear camera setup, Exynos 9611 chipset and 32 megapixel selfie camera in all these devices. At the same time, the information about the real price and specification of this smartphone will be found only after the launching event. So after launching this event, though, we will get the real information, but the teaser of this Samsung Galaxy A series will come in this Vietnam. And now we'll just go to the another report of same report of this in different sites. So we'll just select the Samsung Galaxy A20 smartphone. Samsung teases Galaxy A series 20 launch on this is the NDTV report. Samsung teases Galaxy A series 2020 launch on December 12 December. Samsung Vietnam has released a video teasing the arrival of Galaxy 2020 series. The video confirms that the series will unveil as soon as December 12 This is much earlier than the expected next year release, but it is clearly Samsung's want to get ready before the new year arrives. There is no clarity on which phones will be unveiled on December 12th, but if rumors are to be believed that the Galaxy A51 is expected to launch first. A51 will be launching first, and the video has been released in the Samsung Vietnam YouTube channel. It released that the source of this camera improvement has been made of Galaxy J series and Galaxy A series phones over the years, and what can be expected to the upcoming Galaxy A 2020 series. The video will reveal that the whole punch hole camera and display of this upcoming phone and cut of this center, just like Samsung Galaxy Note 10 series. There have been plenty of rumors that the upcoming Galaxy A series phones, most of the upcoming A series phones are expected to launch this next year, but Samsung wants to get head start early, or it seems Samsung is expected to launch this latest 8 phones in Galaxy series A 2020 series, and the first phone expected to be launched Galaxy A51. The phone has been spotted. The several certification sites and case renders have also been leaked. The phone is expected to be a sport, a quad rear camera setup, a 6.5-inch Super AMOLED display, 4000 MHz battery, 32 megapixel selfie camera, and Exynos 9611 SoC. Other phone expected in this Galaxy A 2020 series included the Galaxy A21, Galaxy A31, Galaxy A41, Galaxy A61, Galaxy A71, Galaxy 81, Galaxy 91. Samsung Galaxy 81 is reported to become S Pen support, and Samsung Galaxy A91 is expected to be powered by the Snapdragon 855 SoC and supported 45-watt fast charging each. So all these smartphones will have 45-watt fast charging supported charger. And this is about the today's report of Samsung Galaxy A series 2020 launch soon and smartphone price and specification. And this is the report of today. So we are expected that A series smartphone, A series 2020 smartphone, that is A21, A31, A41, A51, A61, 71, 81 and 91, all this smartphone is coming in this coming 2020, and first A51 will be coming soon. A51, Samsung Galaxy A51 will be launched on December 12th. So within very few days we'll get A series smartphone, F series 2020 smartphone in this market, and its main specification, it is 6.5 AMOLED display, 4000 MHz battery, Exynos 9611 chipset, and 12 megapixel selfie camera in these devices, and 45 super fast charger is in this device, available in this device. So this is the main features of this main specification of this coming A series 2020 smartphone of Samsung. So this is about the upcoming Samsung Galaxy A series smartphone price and specification. Okay, again we will search this Samsung Galaxy A 2020 smartphone. This is the Hindustan Times paper information about Samsung Galaxy A 2020 series launched confirmed. Here what is we know about so far. Samsung Galaxy A 2020 series is set to launch later in this month. A Fuse official teaser has give peep into this some of this device specification in front of design. So this is the Hindustan Times paper related information. Samsung is all set to refresh its Galaxy A series smartphone for 2020. A video posted by Samsung Vietnam on the YouTube channel reveals that new phones will be unveiled on December 12th, and this video shows the improvement Samsung has made in this camera department over the J series and A series so far. It also gives us a sneak peek at what we can expect from the upcoming A series phones. Samsung Galaxy A 2020 series is set to come with near bezel-less screen with punch hole camera at top of the screens, similar to the screen design of the Galaxy Note 10 series. The video of this gives glimpses of this rear camera layout as well. We'll see the video in this YouTube, but before that I will just read the full information. While there is no confirmation yet, reports suggest that Samsung will debut Galaxy A 2020 series with A51 and A71 renders of these two phones with similar design and L-shaped quad camera setup on this back were spotted recently. Samsung Galaxy A51 in all likelihood will be launched first since it already have been spotted on various certification sites. The A51 is expected to sport a sport of 6.5-inch Super AMOLED display. It is likely to run on Exynos 9611 processor under the hood and powered by 4000 MHz battery. The phone will reported come with 32 megapixel shooter. According to reports, Samsung will launch at least 8 smartphones under the 2020 Galaxy A series: A21, A31, A41, A61, A90, 81, 91. Beside A51 and A71, Samsung is said to be working on Galaxy 81, which could come on S Pen stylus support. There are also rumors of the Qualcomm Snapdragon 855 powered with Galaxy A91. So lots of rumors about this upcoming this smartphone of Galaxy A1, 21 to A91. This is the 8 phones. With the official launch on date a little more than week away, we should go more information about the phone soon. So we'll be waiting for this next report for the upcoming full report. But before that, we'll just see the Vietnam releases this video of this Samsung Galaxy A series video published in the Vietnam in the YouTube. So we just see this video. Samsung Galaxy A series video. Okay, this is the phone's Samsung Vietnam phone released about this video. So this is the teaser video released in this about the Galaxy A20 phone series. This video has been released with this Vietnam video, which you have seen this in this YouTube. So that's it about our video today about Samsung Galaxy phone A Smart series, a 2020 smartphone, expected price and specification, which will come A series A21, A31, A41, A51, A61, A71 and 91, which will be upcoming smartphones of A series, Samsung A series, expected price and specification. So that's it about the video today. And after watching this video, now you can know about the Samsung Galaxy A20 smartphones detail, specification and price and of these upcoming A series smartphones. And hope we will enjoy this video very much. And if you like our video and our channel, then you can like, share, subscribe of our USN Mix YouTube channel. And if you have any information regarding this video or want to ask more, then you can make comments in the comment section on this video of USN Mix YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this video once again. Thank you.